chess assembly. Before this we have assembled all the parts and the chessboard. So again in this only we are going to teach it out about this advanced studio of this rendering. So from here we can easily click on this advanced studio. Okay, so from here new advanced, it will take the default material. After that in this advanced studio we are going to edit the materials of each and every parts. So from here make it okay from here. Okay, so it will take a little bit time to come. Okay, so as we can see here we have opened the files of advanced studio display. So from here let's make it okay and then wait. Here's the materials of each and every parts and even the chessboard. It is taken default. So now we have to change the material. We can change the background, we can change the material and each thing. In this it will do a ray trace studio. Just a second, it will take a 2 minutes only. Okay, so here we can see it is an complete process 38.9 and it will go up to 100%. So just a second, it will take a little bit time only. Okay, so here we can see it is the process has been completed up to 100%. So from here now we can make it to minimize. Okay, so now we can see the every materials of the these, we can see it is as similar. Okay, so because this is only due to of default. Okay, so in this from here we can first do the studio task. Let's see here what is it in this. Okay, so in this we can get the how to change the material texture. Okay, we can take it automotive, we can also take it to the glass work. Just a second, like this one, if you want it will look like a glass. So first make it to face. Now we can change the glass. Okay, let's change only, just a second, no need to change that, it is as similar. Okay, so let's cancel this, just select this one, this face, and let's see if it works. Select this file, select this face and make it to isometric view, and let's make it to red. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, now let's make it up closer so we can get it zoom. Okay, so here we can see we have made it to red color. It is of glass red. Let's make it rotate and you can see we have made these faces as red, so it will look something attractive from here. And then you can change the color as usual. Now first we have to change the color of these. Okay, so from here let's make them to wood because mostly they are from wood. So first select from here, make it to solid body and then select wood. This one, then again this part, this part, this, all one sided are of same color. So let's select each and every one. Select this one, this and this one is the last. So from here let's first make it to vanished maple. Let's see. Okay, it has been changes. Now again selecting this side, this one, next part, next. Similarly we have to select every 16 parts. Okay, so let's see if it, okay, so from here let's make it to vanished cherry. Okay, so in this way we can change the materials of the parts. So let's cancel it from here. Now we have to work with this scene editor, means the background of the, okay, let's make it okay. Every part it will take a little time to open because it is of advanced feature. Okay, so from here we can change the background. Usually you can use any background from here, image file, but try don't take the shadows from here, take the background. Let's make it to plain and let's choose the color of the backside. You can use it black, but taking as a white it's look like a little good and as a professional way. So let's make it okay and make it from here. Okay, so after taking it a screenshot or something, so you will get a pic with a white background that look like a something attractive. Let's make it again to isometric view, and let's make it zoom and make it a little pan from here. Okay, so in this way you can change the scene editor from here. So now how much these will look like, so you can make them plastic color or something shiny. Okay, so in this way you can change the material and the scene editor using the advanced rendering command. So let's see, you can see our chest will look like something with the wooden the parts, and in this way we can make the design of each and every parts and make it to render. Okay, thank you.